Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to log into Bigo Live using your Facebook. Before jumping right into our tutorial, I would like to request you to subscribe to How Logical and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Grab your mobile device and from the app list, tap open Bigo Live. As soon as it opens, you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. But since we are logging in using our Facebook, simply go find the Facebook icon and tap on it. And that is it. If you are already logged into your Facebook, then you'll automatically enter to Bigo Live with your Facebook. If you are not signed into Facebook before signing into Bigo Live, then after you tap on the Facebook icon, you'll need to enter your Facebook ID and password to log in. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback. I'll surely be back again with another tutorial episode soon. Thank you for watching.